Today we will learn about consolidating data in Excel without using any formulas. We can easily combine the data from multiple spreadsheets into one sheet with a single click. We have sales data of a company according to the products present in its outlets. Here's how we can consolidate them. Go to the sheet where you want to consolidate all the data. Click on the Data tab. In the Data Tools group, select Consolidate. In the small window that appears, the first option is Function. We will use the sum function for our task, but you can change it according to your needs. Click on the reference box arrow. Go to Sheet 1, select the data range, and then click the arrow again to return to the Consolidate window. Click Add to include this data range. Repeat this procedure for all other sheets, for example, each quarter, to consolidate them. Check the boxes for the top row and left column because we have labels in the top row and product names in the left column. Also, tick the last box. Create links to source data so that any changes in the source sheets will automatically update in the consolidated sheet. Press OK to complete the consolidation.